In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Davinci Resolve Layout. If your panels are out of place, a window has gone missing, or the interface just feels cluttered after lots of experimenting, resetting the layout is the fastest way to get everything back to the clean, factory default view. This process is safe, quick, and it will not touch your media, timelines, or project settings. It only affects how the interface is arranged on your screen. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop or applications folder. Once it opens, make sure you have a project active. You can open an existing project or create a new one. Either is fine. The reset option lives inside the interface menus, and those are only available when a project is open, so it's a good habit to get into before changing any workspace settings. With your project open, look to the top of your screen for the main menu bar and find the Workspace menu. On Windows, this runs along the top edge of the Resolve window. On Mac OS, it appears in the System menu bar at the top of your display. If you don't immediately see it, check that Resolve isn't covering your entire screen in a way that hides the menu. The Workspace menu is your hub for everything related to how panels, viewers, mixers, and scopes are arranged across the different pages. Inside the Workspace menu, choose Reset UI Layout. The moment you click it, Resolve returns the interface to its default arrangement. That includes docking any floating panels, restoring the standard positions of media pools and viewers, bringing back missing windows, and straightening out anything that's become squeezed or collapsed. You'll see the effect immediately across pages like Edit, Color, Fairlight, and Fusion. This action does not delete clips, timelines, grades, or effects. It simply repositions the controls so you can work without hunting for lost panels. A quick tip for clarity: resetting the UI layout is different from changing preferences or keyboard shortcuts. Your preferences and custom shortcuts remain exactly as they were. This is purely about the visual layout and panel arrangement. That's all there is to it. Launch Resolve, open a project, go to the Workspace menu at the top, and select Reset UI Layout. Whenever your interface feels off, this one command brings everything back to a reliable starting point so you can focus on editing, grading, mixing, or compositing with a clear, organized workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.